Hi students, in continuation of solutions of linear PDE, today we are going to discuss about non-linear PDE. Okay, so what is meant by non-linear PDE equations? Suppose equation of the form f of x, y, z, p comma q, where p and q are dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y equal to 0. Okay, so suppose the degree of p and q more than 1, then these equations are nothing but called non-linear partial differential equations. Okay, so the solutions of non-linear partial differential equations are four different types. Okay, so depending on the function we need to derive the solution. Okay, so standard form 1 is standard form 1. So that means the non-linear PDE of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. That means the equation involves only p and q. Only p and q. Okay. As we know, dz equal to, okay, since z is a function of both x and y. So dz can be written as dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. That means dz equal to, as we know, dou z by dou x value is p. Okay, partial coefficient written as p, small p into dx and q into dy. Okay, so by taking integration on both sides, integral, integral, integral. Okay, so dx equal to z equal to, okay, z equal to px plus qy plus some constant c. Okay, so here you observe this is the general solution. General solution. So here you observe the standard equation is f of p comma q equal to 0. Okay, so here you assume p equal to an arbitrary constant small a. Then this equation becomes f of, you place p equal to a comma q equal to 0. So we have a function of a comma q. From this equation you find q. Okay, so this is a function of a and q. Therefore q in terms of a function. Okay, so q equal to some phi of a. Q equal to some phi of a. So we know the general solution z equal to px plus qy plus c. So take p equal to small a. So z equal to, instead of p we are placing ax plus, instead of q we are placing phi of a plus a constant c is the required general solution. Okay. Here you observe, solve p square plus q square equal to npq. Okay, so you observe p square second degree, q square second degree. Okay, so non-linear. So this differential equation is non-linear differential equation, and you observe which type of equation it is. So it is a function of only p comma q form. So you conclude it is a standard form non-linear PDE. So then the assumption is p equal to small a. Okay, so when p equal to small a, you place, this is equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1 you place p equal to small a. This is a square plus p square equal to naq. Again you rewrite the equation. So q square minus naq plus a square equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of q. Okay, so ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So here you treat here x equal to q and a equal to 1, b equal to minus na and c equal to a square. Okay, so using quadratic roots, x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So q equal to, here q equal to minus b. Minus of b means coefficient of q, that is minus na. plus or minus root over b square, coefficient of q, that is minus na whole square minus 4ac. A means coefficient of q square 1 and c means a square. Okay, so q equal to minus or minus, it becomes plus by 2a, 2 into a value 1. Okay, so q equal to minus or minus becomes plus na plus or minus root over, okay, n square a square minus 4a square by 2. Again you rewrite q equal to na plus or minus, take, okay, a square common. So root over a square means it is a root over n square minus 4 by 2. Okay, so again this is nothing but a common, a into n plus or minus root over n square minus 4 by 2. Okay, so q in terms of a form. Therefore, already we know the general solution. We know the general solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay, a means, right, px plus qy plus c. But already we are assuming p equal to a. Okay, ax plus, what is q? A into n plus or minus root over n square minus 4a by 2 plus constant c. Therefore, z equal to ax plus a into n plus or minus root over n square minus 4 by 2 y plus c. Okay, again you rewrite ax, you completely this term you treat it is a b, by plus c is the required solution, where b equal to a into n plus or minus root over n square minus 4 by 2. Standard form 2. The nonlinear PDE of the form f of z comma p comma q. So containing only z, p, q, not containing x, y. Okay. So equation of the form f of z comma p comma q. Here take p equal to aq. So this equation becomes f of z comma, we are writing p in terms of aq comma q. Okay, so again you observe this is a function of z and q. Okay, using this equation write q equal to in terms of z function, say some phi of z. Okay, as we know dz equal to dou z by dou x into dx, dou z by dou y into dy. Okay, implies dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, so write p equal to aq, but q equal to phi of z. Okay, so dz equal to, what is p? aq plus q into dy. So take q as common. Okay, adx plus q dy. Q, so q is a function of phi z. So write this is a phi of z a dx plus dy. Okay, it is dz value. Okay, so again taking integral dz by phi of z equal to a into integral dx plus dy. Okay, integral dy plus constant c. Okay, so ax plus y plus c. So integral dz by phi of z equal to ax plus y plus c is the required solution. solve p square plus z square q square equal to pq square. Okay, no doubt. It is of the form f of z comma p comma q equal to 0 form. Okay, so standard form 2 form clearly. Okay, so let p equal to aq. We are taking a p equal to aq. Then this equation becomes, say this is equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, so a q square plus z square q square equal to aq into q square. Okay, so q square common, q square into, okay, a square plus z square equal to a q cube. So q square left side and right side get cancelled. So a square z square equal to, okay, a into q. Okay, therefore q equal to a square plus z square by a. Okay, we know the solution. Dz equal to, already we know, dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. So directly we are writing p dx plus q dy. So dz equal to, already we are assuming p equal to aq dx plus q dy. Okay, so take q as common, a dx plus q dy. So but q value is in terms of z function, so this is dz. So dz equal to a square plus z square by a into a dx plus q dy. Okay, okay, a into a by a square plus z square of dz equal to a dx plus, already taken cube taken here, a dx plus dy. Okay, so integral a by a square plus, again you rewrite, z square plus a square dz equal to integral dx plus integral dy. Okay, this is nothing but tan inverse x square plus a square formula. Okay, so integral of a, okay, 1 by z by a whole square. I am taking a square as common, a square as common. So a square as common, a get cancelled. So we have 1 by a. So write 1 by a in the numerator by 1 plus z by a whole square. So z by a differentiation is 1 by a here. Okay, so dz. So we have integral of 1 by 1 plus x square formula, tan inverse. This is a tan inverse, okay, equal to a into integral of dx means x, integral of dy means y. Take constant c. This is equal to ax plus y plus c. Okay, so tan on both sides, z by a equal to tan and tan inverse get cancelled. So we have tan of ax plus y plus c, or you rewrite z equal to a into, by taking cross multiplication, a into tan of ax plus y plus c is the required general solution. So standard form 3, f of x comma p equal to g of y comma q. Okay, so the function involved only x and p, the function involved only y and q. Okay, so you can say this is equal to a constant. Okay, constant a. So we have f of x comma p equal to a. using this equation, okay, find p value. P equal to some f1 of x comma a. Similarly, take second one, g of y comma q equal to a. Okay, using this expression, q equal to g1 of y comma a. Okay, so already we know dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, so dz equal to what is p here? f1 of x comma a, and q means g1 of y comma a of dy. Here is dx. Okay, so again taking integration on both sides, integral dz equal to integral f1 of x comma a dx plus integral of g1 of y comma a dy plus constant c is the required solution. Okay, integral of dz means it is z equal to, okay, or you rewrite z equal to integral of f1 of x comma a dx plus integral of g1 of y comma a dy plus constant c is the required solution. P, solve yp plus xq plus pq equal to 0 form. Okay, so rewrite the equation xq, okay, plus pq plus yp equal to 0. Okay, xq, take p as common. Okay, so q plus y equal to 0. Okay, xq equal to minus p into q plus y. Again you rewrite x by p equal to minus y plus q by q. Okay, so this is function of x comma p. So this is function of y comma q form. Okay, whenever this is a function of x comma p and function of y comma q, so this is represents standard form 3. Okay, so this is equal to small a, say small a. So here a, small a, say small a. Okay, using this equation, x by p equal to a implies p equal to x by a. Using second one, minus of y plus q by q equal to a implies minus of y plus q equal to aq. Okay, so here we required q value. So q of, I am taking minus 1 minus a equal to plus y. So q equal to minus y by 1 plus a. Okay, so p equal to x by a and q equal to minus of y by 1 plus a. We know dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, so dz equal to, already we are having p value. So p equal to, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so p equal to x by a, right, x by a dx, and q is minus of, okay, minus y by 1 plus a of dy. Okay, taking integration on both sides, integral dz equal to 1 by a into integral x dy dx minus 1 by 1 plus a into integral y dy. Take constant c. Okay, so z equal to x by a, x square by x, integration is x square by 2. So x square by 2 into a minus 1 by 1 plus a into y, integration is y square by 2. Okay, so write y square by 2 plus constant c is the required general solution. Standard form 4. that is z equal to px plus qy plus f of p comma q form. So this equation is also nothing but called Clairaut's equation. Okay. So here the solution is, it is a direct solution. So take p equal to small a and q equal to small b. So z equal to ax plus by plus f of a comma b is the general solution. Solve p minus q into z minus px minus qy equal to 1. Okay. So you rearrange the equation. Okay. Z minus px minus qy equal to 1 by p minus q. Okay. Again you rewrite z equal to px plus qy plus 1 by p minus q. Okay. You compare. So px, qy, f of p comma q equal to 1 by p minus q. Okay. Therefore, p equal to a and q equal to b. Then z equal to okay, ax plus by plus 1 by a minus b is the required solution.